Hi friends, today we'll discuss few key words used in banking, bar finance subjects. So I will not explain anything about these keywords. I'll tell you the keywords and abbreviations. Top 3 banks in USA: JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. When was JP Morgan Chase Company incorporated? 19th century. When was Bank of America established? It was established in the year 1904, initially by the name Bank of Italy. When was Wells Fargo was established? 1852. When was Citigroup Inc. was established? 1812. When was Goldman Sachs Group was established? 1869. Top 3 banks in UK: HSBC, Lloyds Bank, Royal Bank of Scotland. When was HSBC started? 1865. When was Lloyds Bank started? June 1765. When was Royal Bank of Scotland was started? 1727. Top 3 banks in Australia: ANZ Bank, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, National Bank of Australia. When was ANZ Bank was started? 2nd March 1835. When was Commonwealth Bank of Australia started? 22nd December 1911. When was National Bank of Australia started? 1982. What is meant by contingent liabilities? Contingent liability means liabilities may arise in the future are called contingent liabilities. So normal liabilities means immediately you have to pay. Contingent liabilities means it may occur in the future. What is meant by earning per share? So every day you will be discussing with I have 10 shares of TCS, I have 100 shares of Reliance. So what is earning per share? Number of earnings per share for a company stock. For example, I have 1 share in TCS. If they are given 100 rupees, so my earnings is 100 rupees per share. What is meant by zero coupon bonds? Normally bonds on face value you will get off yearly interest, but zero coupon bonds means face value is 100 rupees means you will get it in discounted rate. It may be 87 rupees, 85 rupees, but on the maturity you will get 100 rupees. So this is called zero coupon bonds. When was Royal Bank of Scotland Group started? In 1727. What is the full form of CIPS? China International Payment System. When was CIPS was launched? 18th October 2015. What is the full form of WEO? World Economic Outlook. What is the full form of GAIL? Gas Authority of India Limited. What is the full form of TAPI? Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. What is the full form of DJSI? Dow Jones Sustainability Index. What is the full form of FATCA? Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. When was FATCA implemented? 9th July 2015. What is the full form of BRICS? Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. What is the full form of Mudra Loan? Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Limited. When was Mudra Loan started in India? 4th July 2015. What is the full form of AD in foreign exchange? AD means authorized dealer. These authorized dealers only deal with the foreign exchange. Conversion of money from one currency to another currency is foreign exchange. What is the full form of SECI? Solar Energy Corporation of India. What is the full form of RECI? Renewable Energy Corporation of India. What is the full form of ROC? Registrar of Companies. What is the full form of CSIR? Council of Scientific and Research. What is the full form of IRF? Interest Rate Futures. What is the full form of IREDA? Indian Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. What is the full form of VRS? Voice Recognition Service. Which is the ICICI Bank's first branch in China, Shanghai, on 16th May 2015. What is the full form of GPF? General Provident Fund. What is the full form of DGFT? Directorate General of Foreign Trade. What is the full form of IBI? Industrial Investment Bank of India. What is the full form of CDMRD? Commodity Derivative Market Regulation Department. What is the full form of CFID? Corporation Finance Investigation Department. What is the full form of bull market? Price are rising in a market continuously, price is rising, then the market will be called as bull market. What is the full form of CFA? Chartered Financial Analyst. What is the full form of FRM? Financial Risk Manager. What is the full form of DPS? Dividend Payout Ratio. What is the full form of ROE? Return on Equity. What is the full form of PE ratio? Price to earning ratio. What is the full form of EPS? Earnings per share. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.